In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Docs. Let's start at the very beginning in Google Drive on the web. Once you're signed in, look toward the top left and click the New button. This opens a short menu where you can choose Google Docs. If you see a small arrow next to it, click that to pick either a blank document or start from a template. A blank document gives you a clean slate, while templates offer pre-built layouts for things like resumes or reports. As soon as you make your choice, a new tab opens so you can begin typing right away. If you pick the template option, browse the gallery, select a style you like, and you're ready to edit. If you have a Microsoft Word file saved in Drive, you can open and edit it directly. Find it in your Drive, then double-click to open it in Google Docs. You can edit it as is without converting, and the file will still be saved as a Word document in your Drive, which is handy when you're collaborating with people who rely on Word. If you do want a full Google Docs version, go to the File menu and choose Save as Google Docs. This creates a second file alongside the original. Keep in mind they're separate copies, so edits in one won't appear in the other. Now let's take a quick tour of the interface. In the top left, you'll find Document Info and Controls. Click the title to rename your file, star it so it's easy to find later, move it to a specific folder with the folder icon, and enable offline access so you can work without internet. Just to the right is the menu bar where you'll see options like File, Edit, Insert, and Format. This is where you'll handle tasks such as page setup, inserting images, or adjusting styles. Beneath that is the toolbar, which gives you quick access to text formatting like font size, bold, alignment, and more. If you don't see what you need, click the three dots to reveal additional tools. Look to the top right for collaboration features. You can open version history to review or restore past edits, add comments to discuss changes, start meetings for real-time conversations, and use the share button to invite others and set permissions. Inside the document, the main area is where you type and make edits. On the left, you can show or hide the document outline to jump quickly between sections based on your headings. And remember, right-clicking gives you context-specific shortcuts that change depending on what you've selected. This covers the basics you need to create, open, edit, and navigate in Google Docs. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Docs tips and tutorials.